Also, there's another example, as Sodom and Gomorrah. Maybe you have heard this already. And the cities around them in a similar manner to these, having given themselves over to sexual immorality and gone after strange flesh, are set forth as an example, suffering the vengeance of eternal fire. So, yung sa Sodom and Gomorrah, yung mga tao noon were very evil na, and they were also sexually immoral. Yung mga tao na sa Sodom and Gomorrah, ang nangyari doon, God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah with fire. So lahat ng doon namatay, except lang ni Lot at saka Lot, if I'm not mistaken, it's Lot and his daughters, kasi yung asawa niya lumingon, naging pillar of salt. So hindi din siya nakasurvive. So yung fire na yon, umubos yun sa lahat ng tao nandun sa Sodom and Gomorrah. Imagine kung gaano ka harsh ang Diyos when it comes to punishment. So that's the side of God that I want you to know. Why? Because sa mga tao kasi ngayon, parang nakikita ko na parang wala na tayong takot sa Diyos. But dapat i-revive natin ang takot sa Diyos, kasi kapag hinayaan lang natin sarili natin na madala sa kasamaan, na wala na tayong nararamdaman, kahit masama na yung ginagawa natin, hindi tayo nakakonsensya. Darating ang panahon na darating ang panahon na sisingilin tayo ng Diyos. We will all die and we will face before God's judgment. And sa judgment ni Lord, walang joke doon, hindi nagbibiro ang Diyos. Kung ano yung ginawa mong kasamaan, yun ang